Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for the long-awaited nail polish of the week video of one of my favorite Zoya nail polishes. But of course, if you are going to paint your nails together with me, which is something that I love for you guys to do while watching this video, start off with clean nails and apply your favorite base coat. I'm going in with the Apricot one by Dior. It is quite expensive, but definitely worth the money. It is such a lovely base and it protects my nails pretty well too. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, this base coat, I think it's like 25 euros or something like that. Prices may vary a little bit depending on where you get them. I just get them at one of my like local Dutch warehouses or like web stores actually. I rarely go into like physical shops anymore ever since like the whole pandemic happened, and to be honest I don't really have time to go out and shop for nail supplies, to be honest. So yeah, I just go online and just get it sent to my home. It's really lazy, but it's like the most convenient way for me because I work 5-6 days a week at my regular like daytime job, and I have my YouTube work next to that as well. I have like my household stuff to do, and I just don't have time to go like spend a whole day or whole afternoon shopping on one of my off days, because on my off days I am working for my YouTube channel. So yeah. But today's color, as I mentioned already, is my, or at least one of my favorite colors by Zoya. This one is called Patrice and it is my go-to color if I want to have a neutral shade on my nails but still have some bedazzling shimmer going on, if you know what I mean. I have actually used this color in my koi fish stamp design as well. It was so stunning with that matte top coat on top that I was like, I'm going to do a full on nail polish of the week video on this specific color and just add a glossy top coat to finish it off, just to show you the difference, because it is so gorgeous, I kid you not. This is one of those colors that will suit a lot of different skin tones, no matter how pale you are like me, or how such of a gorgeous like amber dark skin you might have. It doesn't matter if you are cool undertoned, warm undertoned, or neutral. I really genuinely feel like this is one of those colors that suits everyone. No matter your age, no matter your gender or anything like that, I think this is just a gorgeous color. It is a very wearable, but because there is such a beautiful, very subtle, but still quite eye-catching, it's quite like, it is there and it's noticeable, but it's not like in your face like chunky glitter or something. Like that golden shimmer in this one is so beautiful. It is insane. If I had to choose one color to wear for the rest of my life, it would probably be this one. And that says a lot because my nail polish collection is huge. I don't even know how many bottles I have. There are at least 2,500, I'd say. There might even be more than 3,000 as we speak, because I'm pretty much a nail polish collector, hoarder, enthusiast. Biggest fan, you know. I love buying nail polishes. It's practically the only thing I buy with any like free budget that I have left after I have spent most of my income on bills and stuff like that. So yeah. I don't even know how many polishes I have, but just to pick this color as my go-to color, if I could only wear one color for the rest of my life, that says a lot. That's like a big thing. Even though I love my hot pinks, my neon yellows and stuff like that, I think this is such a beautiful tone that is so wearable. It suits so many different occasions and also outfits, by the way, and it's just very lovely on my nails, in my opinion. I really love it. The first coat, however, was a little sheer. But because I really love this polish that much, I don't really mind that it is a 3-coater on my nails. If you have shorter nails and you might apply a little bit more polish for each layer, I think you are good to go with just 2 coats, or if you are not like me and you don't mind your natural smile line to peek through your nail polish, just go for 2 coats and you're good to go as well. But of course, personally, I really don't like my natural smile line to peek through. I just want a beautiful opaque coverage. Just like a little bit of sheerness is okay, but I don't want it to be like that eye-catching and that visible that I have like a quick glance at my nails and I see my natural smile line peeking through. I'm not happy. I just want a little bit more coverage, and yeah, that's just I don't really mind this polish to be a little sheer and actually needing 3 coats for my nails. That is how much I love this polish. It is insane. I never thought there would actually be a polish that I wouldn't mind applying more than 2 coats of, but it's just gorgeous. I would say this color is a little bit like a mauvey purpley pink. I think it's leaning more towards the pinky purple kind of tones because it's like a muted I think a muted lilac kind of color, even like lilac of the flowers, but it is a little bit more pink. I don't know, this is one of those colors that is quite hard to describe. I would definitely say it's more of like a dusty kind of color, a little bit more muted. It definitely isn't super bright or anything like that, but because of that golden shimmer that's going on in there, oh, it's so gorgeous. Like, this makes my heart beat faster, and yeah, I love it. Definitely let me know what you think about this color. Is this a color that you would even consider putting on your nails, or are you more of like a neon bright kind of girl or a guy? Let me know in the comments down below, because I just think this is such a gorgeous color, like on its own, but also for nail art. As I mentioned, I did that black stamped koi fish design on it. It looked so cool. I got so many compliments on my nails, and that also says a lot because I work with like 99% men and they were all like, "Ooh, that's really pretty actually." So yeah, that's kind of cool. But yeah, as a top coat, of course, make sure that your previous coats are completely dry before going into your top coat, to make sure you don't have to wait like 5 hours before your nail polish is completely dry. I am going in with a Glossy Top Coat by PJR Care nail polish. I have raved and raved about this brand. I especially love their base and top coat, and I felt like I hadn't used them in a little bit, so let's just grab the top coat and just apply it. Of course, you can just use any glossy top coat to your personal preference or your personal likings. Maybe even slap on a matte top coat, because this color looks gorgeous with matte as well, but just make sure to apply a good layer of that and cap off the edges as well if you have longer nails. Capping off the edges of your nails, make sure that your manicure lasts a longer period of time without any chipping and tip wear, and it also protects your natural nails a little bit from maybe your manual job like I have as well. But yeah, just make sure that every layer is completely dry, because you don't want to like apply your manicure and then after a couple of hours look at them and see a lot of dents and crinkles. That's not a pretty sight. So yeah, of course, apply thin coats for each and every single layer, and just apply an extra one if you feel like you need a little bit more coverage. But yeah, this was pretty much it for today's nail polish of the week video. Let me know what you think about this color, and also I'm really curious to hear what color of nail polish you are wearing on your nails right now. Is it regular nail polish? Are you wearing acrylics maybe? Are you wearing a gel polish? I'm really curious to hear about that. Also, what is the length of your nail, and what is a color that you would never wear on your nails? I have so many questions in my head today that I'm just gonna spill it all in one video and just wait and see what you will reply, because I love reading your comments. And of course, if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. I love to help you guys out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.